So this next package that I'm going to install is definitely not required. It's just something I like to use. It's called Colors.js, and it allows us to just have colors in the console. We can have underline, we can bold text, we can inverse it. So we're going to go ahead and use this, and I want to add colors to these two lines right here in the console. So I'm just going to stop this and npm install colors. And then we can go ahead and we can run our server again, although we're not really doing anything right now, so you don't have to run it. But let's go into db.js, or first let's go into server.js because we do need to bring colors in. So let's say import colors from colors. And then we should be able to go into db.js, and I'm going to go down to where I'm outputting this MongoDB connected and then the host, and go right after the backtick, and I'm going to use .cyan.underline. And then here, if we have an error message, we'll go after this backtick, and let's make this red, and let's do underline, and let's do bold. All right, so now if I save, you can see that the MongoDB connected is a cyan color, and it's also underlined. And in server.js, let's go down to where we're outputting this right here, and I want to give this a specific color as well. So let's go to the end of the backtick and do .yellow.bold, or you can use whatever color you want. Obviously that's just what I like to use. I can clearly tell that I'm connected to my server and my database. Now I just want to show you if something goes wrong with MongoDB, this down here is obviously going to run. If we can't connect correctly, then it's going to throw an error, and we're going to catch it down here and output the message. So I'm going to go to my .env and just let's take off the 4 in the password. So just mess that up. Now we need to restart the server for any changes in the .env file. So if I restart, you'll see right away we get error bad auth authentication failed. Okay, so that's coming from that try catch, and notice it's also red, bold, and underlined because of the colors package. Okay, just wanted to show you that. I'm going to change that back and restart, and now we're good. All right, so you can use that. You can use colors, the underline, bold, all that stuff. You can use that wherever you'd like. I just wanted to add it here for now. Okay, so what I want to do next is start to create some data models, because with NoSQL you don't do that stuff on the database level like you would with, let's say, MySQL or Postgres. With Postgres you would go in either with a migration or through something like pgadmin, and you would set up your fields with the data types. Well, with MongoDB we do that on the application level. So that's what we're going to do next, is start to model our data.